You've never seen a classic Mustang like this, a 1989 GT Convertible that's not just restored, it's reinvented. Striking white with bold blue stripes, a growling 331 cubic inch V8, and a top that drops for the ultimate open-air thrill. This isn't just a car, it's an experience you have to see to believe. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're diving deep into an absolute classic, the 1980 Ford Mustang GT Convertible, a pony that's been fully reimagined for enthusiasts who crave both style and power. Trust me, this isn't your run-of-the-mill Mustang. This is a car that commands attention the moment it rolls onto the scene, and today you're going to see exactly why. Step back into the golden era of American muscle, where the lines were sharp, the stance was aggressive, and every detail was designed to make a statement. Right off the bat, this GT Convertible screams personality. Cloaked in a pristine white exterior, it's accented by a pair of bold blue stripes that run the entire length of the body. These stripes aren't just paint, they're a declaration of intent. Add the painted Mustang GT lettering on the side skirts and rear valance, and it's immediately clear this is a pony that refuses to blend in. The low, ground-hugging stance hints at the performance lurking beneath, thanks to a thoughtfully upgraded tubular rear suspension that not only improves handling, but gives it a menacing, ready-to-strike presence on the road. Sliding inside, you're greeted by a gray cloth interior that has aged beautifully. The high-back bucket seats feature stylish woven plaid inserts, giving a subtle nod to the era while keeping it classy. The center console remains intact, showing only slight wear, a testament to the care this car has received. Glass surfaces, including the windshield and side windows, are crystal clear, framed by fresh seals that keep everything looking sharp. When the sun is out, the white convertible top rises effortlessly, complete with a clear glass rear window, giving you that classic open-air driving experience that Mustang enthusiasts crave. Add the modern convenience of an aftermarket Kenwood AM/FM stereo with an auxiliary port, along with fully functional power windows, door locks, and mirrors, and you've got a cockpit that's as practical as it is iconic. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. Under the hood sits a massively upgraded 331 cubic inch stroker V8, meticulously rebuilt and driven fewer than 5,000 miles since its overhaul. This isn't just any V8. It's equipped with Ford Racing aluminum heads, a BN303 camshaft, and a BBK cold air intake, transforming this Mustang into a powerhouse ready to deliver pure adrenaline at the tap of the accelerator. The electronic fuel injection ensures smooth and precise throttle response, while the 4-speed automatic transmission, enhanced with a Hughes shift kit and featuring overdrive, guarantees both thrilling acceleration and relaxed cruising. And let's not forget the exhaust. A pair of shorty headers flowing into dual Flowmaster mufflers gives this Mustang that deep, commanding growl, announcing your arrival before you even reach the intersection. Performance isn't just about raw power, it's about control, and this GT Convertible doesn't disappoint. The tubular 4-link rear suspension with a sway bar keeps every curve in check, while power steering and front disc brakes give you the confidence to push it hard without compromise. This is a car designed to be driven, to be felt, and to deliver a visceral connection between driver and road. From a visual standpoint, this Mustang is nothing short of a showstopper. The ultra-sharp exterior, combined with its blue stripes over a crisp white backdrop, makes it impossible to ignore. Every panel, every seal, every line is impeccably maintained. Whether you're pulling into a car show or taking it out for a spirited weekend drive, this convertible turns heads and draws compliments wherever it goes. Add in the fact that it's a true open-top experience, the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and you have a package that's both exhilarating and timeless. Air conditioning keeps things comfortable when the weather warms, ensuring that whether you're cruising downtown or hitting the highways, you do it in style. Priced at $29,995, this 1989 Ford Mustang GT Convertible isn't just a car, it's an investment in classic American muscle, meticulously upgraded to deliver performance, style, and comfort all in one iconic package. Whether you're a collector, a weekend warrior, or someone who just appreciates the thrill of a finely tuned pony, this Mustang is ready to make every drive unforgettable. So if you're looking for that perfect blend of nostalgia, raw power, and open-air freedom, look no further. The 1989 Ford Mustang GT Convertible is more than just a car. It's an experience, a statement, and a legend on wheels. Don't let this one slip through your fingers. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and stay tuned because we have plenty more classic muscle coming your way.